gang. Today we got another road rage video. No cap. We about to get straight into this, no cap, because we ain't about to waste too much time. No. But hey man, if it's your first time tuning in, make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notifications. Hey man, road to 10K. Make sure y'all request down below any compilations y'all want me to react to. Make sure it's funny though, cause I always mess with these, no cap. But let's get straight into this. What the heck just happened? Say, to be honest, if I was bro on the bike, I would have just drove past, bro. You pulled it out, you didn't hit me, so you good. I'm gonna just keep going. No cap. Wow. All right, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going. He just spent out. I'm gonna keep going. I don't know.
83,000 square feet.
I probably got a little scratch on my bumper, but he just messed his car up. What just happened? He said nearly a huge accident. Let me see what he talking about.
83,000 square feet of office space, dude. Whoa!
Oh, that's tough.
Holy shit!
My heart would have dropped. Bro, I better not get copyrighted for this, bro. Wait, what just happened?
Oh, shit!
Dog! You gonna keep going. No, you better park that. You about to scrap. You're not getting out of this one. I gotta feel, look. You had no business cutting them off. Look, and then you wanna try to swerve all out the way. Bro, what is wrong with him? Dang, where they at?
Jesus Christ.
Y'all see all the mamas and junk? I'm scared to be out them ways, bro. I drove on the roads before, bro. That's tough. Like you in the middle of nowhere.
So she causes an accident with me. Watch it now. Hey, hey! Watch it!
Bro, I don't know why y'all put this reading junk up, these words. Because I'm not about to even waste my time to try to read that, because y'all just going to take it off the screen. I'm not about to pause it.
I was able to accelerate with Tesla's instant torque. Right there.
Wow, what's wrong with this? I need a Tesla. That, bro, y'all ain't just see what that Tesla did?
Thankfully, I was
look at the Tesla. The Tesla sped it up. Look.
Instant torque. Right there. Oh.
You would never get in the car accident again. I need one of those. Wait, what is that? What is dog in that truck? Right truck doing?
Yo, you're right. There's a glass all the way over there and shit.
You don't care.
Dude, that's all bumper and shit.
For real.
It's all funny games until somebody get hurt. I would have got aggressive after that. I was stepping on that boy. I'm telling you, I would have horse dog off the road. I probably would have ran into his joint. No cap. Don't let me be in no truck. In that bit, bro. If the truck, bro. If I'm in a truck and it's lifted and you cut me off, I'm running you straight off the road. I'm not gonna play no games. I'm not gonna play with you. What's going on, bro? That's them, bro. Why are you blowing the thing? Oh, yeah. He getting active. Get active. Bro, stop blowing, bro. Bro, what is dog blowing for? Like, what is you gonna do? Stop them from fighting? And I know he ain't blowing at the car in front of him, bro. Because he ain't even doing nothing. His car is in front of him. Dog in his car, he need to get smacked. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Because what is he, bro? If I was dog, I would have walked straight back there to the dog that's blowing the horn, bro. I'm trying to handle some business and you doing this. What's wrong with that man?
Hey.
He cut dog off on another level, though. We racing after that. What type of road is that? Ah! Wait, what is he doing? That junk bold if he crashed. Wait, what is he doing, bro? What is he doing? What? Y'all don't see what he doing with his foot like it's a bike. His foot not causing the car to move at no. Why is he doing it? Y'all remember Friday when Smokey was trying to park his car and he had his foot out the door? Dog scuffed his shoes. Bro, wow.
He can just get behind me and do that. That's just a super dick move.
What do you call it? Bro, you seen him turning, bro. Just slow down. Y'all making problems bigger than what it is. Look how you drive. Look how he driving. Bro, it's like, bro, they blame it on other people. In reality, it really be their fault too, bro. Look what he just did, bro. You don't blow through nothing like that if you own that far to the right, bro. You know you can't see over them cars, bro. I guess they don't know what a brake is. We're ramming somebody off the road, bro. They trying to, bro. Bro, if I see you trying to get over and I'm driving, bro, I'm gonna let you over, bro. I'm not one of them weak niggas that don't let you over, bro. Yeah, he's out of pocket. They did too much in that Prius, bro. Nigga was not gonna hit them. Dog in the G-Wagon. Hold on, y'all ain't peeped out?
Looking at the shotgun. I saw some guys sneaking around Mrs. Kent's house, Dom said.
Say a command or say help.
I saw some guys sneaking around Mrs. Kent's house.
I'd have been mad.
Say a command or say help.
Bro, I would have been mad, bro. He need to get it, bro.
Command not understood.
I hate when I'm about to turn. I'm coming up, I got my blinker on, I'm about to turn the jump. And I'm slowing down and the car steady coming up, bro. I'm like, bro, you hit this curb, bro? I swear to God, I'm chasing you, bro.
S-au bușit, i-am văzut. S-au bușit, i-am văzut.
If I would have seen that, I would have swerved out the. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, bro. If I was in that, like, I'm not crashing no car, bro. That's the end of this video. But I'm not crashing no car, bro. I am not crashing no car. Like one time it was a truck parked on the block. I was about to go across, right? So the truck just standing just right there. I'm in the city, bro. I know how you get down. They try to kill you, bro. Bro, I'm not about to just stay parked in front of this car. No, I went around it, right? So the lady decides she want to go too. So when we get across, she try to make a left, but I try to keep straight. She turned, right? And I'm going straight. I turned that so quick, bro. I'm like, yeah, I'm clutch with this driver junk for real, though. Because she tried to take me out the game. I ain't gonna lie. After that, I start clutching. I grabbed the gun, bro. I grabbed the gun and started speeding up. Like, she wanted to smoke me because we could have had that, like, real junk. Like, but that's between me and my niggas, though. No cap. Y'all my niggas. But look, we gonna continue striving today to live a better way. I'm out, no cap.
But if you ain't got an